The National Fruit Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Melonville County, Fruitapoya County, and Pumpkindane County. At 6 p.m., the National Fruit Weather Service, MSDRT vehicle, has indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Melontown. MSDRT radar showed this tornado moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning includes Melontown, Pumpkin Prame, Nokeville, and Fruit City. In the addition of the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail with destructive straight-line winds. If you are in the path of the tornado, the safest place to be in is the basement or a storm cellar. Get under a workbench or other sturdy furniture. If no basement or underground shelter is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building and into interior hallway or room such as a closet. Get a blanket and some pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate and get in a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head with your hands to protect the vital parts of your body. Thank you for listening, and may God protect you. This message will repeat every 1 minute to alert and inform people who didn't hear.